ever wondered about the fascinating microcosm of life that exists beyond the naked eye? Beyond the realm of multicellular organisms, there exists a realm of single-celled marvels, a group of fascinating organisms known as protists. Today, we delve into a subset of these microscopic marvels, the animal-like protists. Animal-like protists, also known as protozoa, are a diverse group of unicellular organisms that exhibit characteristics similar to animals. They're the tiny, often overlooked cousins of the animal kingdom, with their ability to move and hunt for food. Protists in general are a fascinating group of eukaryotic microorganisms. Unlike prokaryotes, these single-celled organisms have a nucleus and other internal structures bound by membranes. But it's the animal-like protists that truly catch the eye with their animal-like behavior. Like animals, these protists are heterotrophic. This means they can't make their own food the way plants do. Instead, they feed on other organisms, from bacteria and algae to other protists. Some of them even have a voracious appetite for the cells of larger creatures. Now, you might wonder, how do these microscopic creatures hunt for food? Well, they employ a variety of methods. Some use pseudopodia, false feet, to surround and engulf their prey. Others have specialized structures like cilia or flagella that they use to swim through their watery environments in search of food. In terms of reproduction, animal-like protists exhibit a variety of methods. Some reproduce asexually by simple cell division, while others engage in a form of sexual reproduction. Fascinatingly, some species can do both, depending on the conditions of their environment. A key function of animal-like protists in the ecosystem is their role in nutrient cycling. As predators, they control the populations of other microorganisms, preventing them from becoming too large. They also serve as food for other creatures, fitting into the food chain just like any other animal would. Animal-like protists also have significant impacts on human health and society. Some species are infamous for the diseases they cause, such as malaria and sleeping sickness, but others are beneficial, aiding in the decomposition process and contributing to the health of soils. In summary, animal-like protists are a diverse group of single-celled organisms that exhibit animal-like behaviors. They're heterotrophic, feeding on other organisms, and have a variety of ways to move and reproduce. They play important roles in the ecosystem and can have significant impacts on human health, both beneficial and harmful. So, the next time you take a sip of water or step on soil, remember the invisible world of animal-like protists that exists all around us. These microscopic marvels remind us that life, in all its forms, is diverse, adaptable, and utterly fascinating.